Imagine turning your Bitcoin into a yield machine pumping 10 times harder than the usual suspects. That's Velodrome Finance right now, trading at just 4 cents, but whispers of a massive breakout. On Unichain, their wrapped Bitcoin USDC pool is crushing it with 332% APR, dwarfing the 32% on Ethereum's mainnet. We're talking real returns for liquidity providers. That's the annual percentage rate on your staked assets, basically how much you earn yearly without selling. But is this a flash in the pan, or the start of VELO's 2025 price prediction rocket? Stick around as we unpack the fresh drops from Velodrome's feed, their exploding metrics, and my weekly chart deep dive showing exactly where I'm buying, my stop-loss triggers, and 5 juicy take-profit zones. If you're new to crypto yields or eyeing Velodrome accumulation, this could change your game. Let's ride. First off, check this out. The top wrapped Bitcoin pool on mainnet? It's WBTC-USDC, but flip to Unichain via Velodrome, and you're looking at 332% APR. That's a straight 10x jump over the competition's measly 32% on mainnet. For beginners, WBTC is wrapped Bitcoin, letting you use Bitcoin in DeFi without leaving the Ethereum ecosystem. USDC is a stablecoin pegged to the dollar, no wild swings. Providing liquidity here means you deposit both, or just one side, earn fees from trades plus rewards. If you're bridging assets, this is your cue. I'm optimizing that liquidity today. Speaking of efficiency, remember those swaps where you end up with less crypto than expected? Velodrome's calling it out hard. Their slip-seam concentrated liquidity, think focus pools for top pairs like Ethereum and Bitcoin on Unichain, delivers the best swap rates consistently. Side-by-side screenshots show for 1 Ethereum, Uniswap gives you just 0.034 Bitcoin, while Velodrome hands over 0.038 Bitcoin. That's over 10% more tokens straight to you. For new traders, this means fuller wallets per swap, less slippage lost. Velodrome is building a DEX, decentralized exchange, that feels premium without the premium hit. And hot off the press, USDC and CCTP version 2 just went live on Unichain. Circle's announcement ties right into Velodrome's ecosystem. Swap USDC there today. But what the heck is CCTP? Cross-chain transfer protocol, letting you move USDC seamlessly between chains without bridges that could rug you. Institutions, devs, businesses on now tap the world's biggest regulated stablecoin for payments, lending, you name it. A range of use cases opening up. If you're dipping toes into yields, start with stables. They're your safe entry. Ever bridged chains and felt like you ran a marathon? Swap, bridge, switch networks, swap again, tedious. Velodrome says nah. Do it in one click with super swaps. Now live across the superchain. That's Optimism's family of layer 2s for faster, cheaper Ethereum. No more multi-step headaches. For mobile users like most of you, this is gold. Tap, confirm, done. It's streamlining DeFi for real people, not just whales. Building on that, one-click swaps are live on Velodrome, powered by Pectra, an Ethereum upgrade slashing approvals. Their demo shows it. From dashboard to MetaMask confirm in seconds, swapping USDC for VELO with 0 extra steps. Fees. Minimal, impact under 0.5%. Simple, fast, efficient, as their post puts it. If you're new, approvals are those annoying allow contract pop-ups. Pectra kills them. This levels the playing field, making high-yield farming accessible without tech headaches. Now, pulling up DeFi Llama, the numbers don't lie. Velodrome's combined TVL hits $67 million, with OP mainnet leading at $46 million. Unichain? $1.5 million, but growing fast. Graph shows steady climbs and lows since summer 2025, annualized fees at $7.1 million. TVL is total value locked. The cash users park in pools for yields. Revenue to holders? Another $7.1 million annualized. It's not mooning yet, but this is foundation building, signaling trust in VELO's V-governance model, where locking tokens earns voting power. Epoch 173 recap? Velodrome smashed $257 million in superchain volume, with OP mainnet at 73%, Unichain 17%, others 10%. That's $67 million beyond OP alone, $198,000 in voting rewards distributed. Number 1 DEX across 8 chains. Epochs are weekly reward periods. This one's a volume beast, proving adoption. For yield chasers, more volume means fatter fees trickling to liquidity providers, like me. I linked a video on the screen where I teach how to find the best yields right now. It's worth watching after this video. Diving deeper, 53% of Velodrome supply is locked. That's veVELO holders committing long-term for governance. Average lock? 3.6 years, 93% automaxed. Over 14,000 holders, $75 million distributed to voters. Locking means you escrow tokens for boosted rewards but can't sell easy. It's skin in the game, reducing sell pressure. This screams conviction in Velodrome's future. Alright, it's time for my weekly VELO USD chart, which I anchored Fibonacci extension from December 2024 top to April lows. Price hugs 4 cents, smacking my green buy zone from last video. I'm accumulating here, or dollar cost averaging. That means buying dips steadily. Price is consolidating, after broken upside that long descending orange trend line in July. Now facing a newer downtrend from May high, rejected July, August, and September. Bullish if it cracks up. Velodrome price action is below all EMAs, or exponential moving averages, trend trackers at 10, 21, 55, 100 weeks. Neutral signal, but Heikin-Ashi RSI indicator ticks down in consolidation after uplegs. VRVP volume profile? Point of control at 5 cents, heavy trading there. My honest take. Fundamentals are extremely solid with yields and features, but price lags. I'm in. My long-term VELO bag is max-locked, earning me yields every week. Green circles mark my take profits levels. I'm trimming 30% at 13 cents, 25% at 19 cents, 20% at 28 cents, 15% at 45 cents, and 10% at 70 cents. Trailing stops post first profit. Invalidation? Close below red -3 cents. Exits the short-term trade, but I hold core for project's DeFi dominance. My 2025 prediction: 20 cents plus if yields stick and superchain grows. Newbies, start small. Risk 1 to 2% of your portfolio. Velodrome is not just another DEX. It's yielding real edges in a crowded space, with VELO poised for that breakout if charts align. You've got the tools: killer APRs, seamless swaps, locked commitment. I'm passionate because projects like this build crypto's future, one efficient trade at a time. Thanks for riding this with me. Hit the like button if yields fired you up. Drop a comment on your VELO target or next video idea. Subscribe for daily yield hunts, bell on. Join membership via link below for exclusive TA. Catch my last 2 Velodrome vids, links on screen. You're building wealth smarter. Keep going. Never financial advice. See you tomorrow.